Karanja Kibicho chaired a meeting where senior Mount Kenya officials at PS level, CEOs of parastatals, including senior political players at the time, in the full knowledge of the then president, met at La Mada Hotel basement and planned in detail how to assassinate the then deputy president. I said it then, dragging to court. It was an unnecessary 3 years of spending public resources. These courts have decided in the past, I think it's in Kajiado, where 3 policemen were arrested and charged, and they paid back to the state for illegally dragging some people to court. It is in the same way we are going to demand that the 3 actually pay back the resources that have been used to prosecute something they knew they were hiding. The DCI called Peter Munya, they called Sisiri Kariuki, then a CS, they called Mushero to the DCI to record a statement on this letter. That investigation that started, we now therefore demand today that investigation to go on because it has been proved to be true. Finally, let me say the following, that this should never happen to anyone else. Let us use the criminal justice system to sort the issues in our society, to forestall crime, to deal with actual criminals. It should actually never happen even to your worst enemy. I sincerely thank my counsel and the counsel of my co-accused